Hi guys, I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a few clips that I didn't want to include in my Christmas video, but I wanted to show you guys the process. We just were able to redo our floors. We pulled up all the carpet in our living room into that little entryway into our bedroom and the stairs. And oh my goodness, it was a process, but it looks amazing in here now, especially with all my Christmas decor getting put up. So I wanted to show you guys the process. So this video is just like going to be kind of random video clips, but I wanted to show this in case you wanted to see how we do laminate flooring. This is laminate. We had to buy the underlayment and the moisture barrier separate, so that's what you'll see us putting down in a minute. But I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum my rug really good since all the furniture's off of it. And I didn't show it in this video, but I did actually end up cleaning it with my little steam cleaner. It's like a Bissell Spot Bot, and I love that thing if you just want to clean, little areas of the rug or upholstered furniture. And it's actually on sale for Black Friday at Target. It's only $59, I believe, and we bought it full price, which was over $100, but it was well worth it because we do have 3 dogs, and so it's just nice to be able to clean anything that has upholstered furniture or any kind of fabric over it. But I will link that down below if you guys are interested. I should have included it in this video, but I wasn't even thinking about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum this, and then we're gonna roll up the rug, and then we're gonna start demoing or taking up all the stuff in the living room. So it's a process, but I'm glad I filmed most of it for you guys. And I know this is my time now. So rolling up the carpet was so satisfying, but it was also disgusting because you see all the stains that are there. And no matter how much I clean the carpet, like, it always wasn't getting clean. So I am so glad to be rid of that carpet. It was much needed to just go ahead and pull it up and get rid of it, especially, like I said, we have 3 dogs, and it was just time to say goodbye. I actually did the same thing in our master bedroom 2 years ago when we bought this house. We pulled up the carpet and put down laminate. So this is our second time doing it. But it was a little bit easier this time because we knew what we were doing a little bit more. Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. So the underlayment we bought, I'm not sure if this was like the best option. The guy was a really good salesman. He sold it to us, but it was really easy because it's just one piece you lay down. In our bedroom, we actually bought the laminate that already had the underlayment, so all we had to do was put down a moisture barrier. So this was supposed to have all of it in one. I don't really know if I can recommend it or not. We got everything at this place called Barton's Home Improvement, which is just like a local little wholesale store. So, and actually I was a terrible vlogger because I skipped like the whole first 5 or 6 rows of us doing this. So you'll get to see us like halfway through, but it was probably a good thing because the first few rows were kind of like learning rows, I guess. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit of us putting down the underlayment and then actually doing the laminate without showing you the whole process, because this video would have been so long.
It's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not
But all in all, this only took us one long weekend, and then we actually took another day during the week to do the small intricate cuts. But for the most part, it's done now. All we have to do is the trim and the molding and like the transition plates between different areas of the house. But other than that, the actual laminate flooring is all done. We found that it just works better when we work together, because sometimes the pieces don't want to lie. This is click and lock laminate. I don't know if I said that, but I would help Aaron by like standing on it to get the pieces to line up perfectly. And it's like one big puzzle, so if one piece shifts, the other pieces might shift and it can mess up everything and like mess up the seams. So that's why you see me like doing all sorts of weird positions and just trying to hold things down to make it as easy for him to hammer it into place. Also, it gets really loud, especially when the room is empty and you don't have a rug or furniture. So it's really loud, but it was a great process and I love the way it turned out. So, and also my sister and my family's dog, his name is Chewy, is actually here. So that's why you might see 4 dogs running around, but I promise we only have 3. We're definitely not pros, so don't watch this video and then go try to do your own flooring, but this is just what we've learned. And then we also have a friend that was able to give us some advice because he does laminate flooring for a living, so he did come over and help Aaron do some of the little intricate cuts at the end, because that gets really hard when you don't have room to actually hammer it in. So that's what we did, and we just did it as fast as we could because we didn't want to have the house a wreck for a couple weeks, because I wanted to put up Christmas. So that's why I wanted to put this video up for you guys, so you could just kind of see where I've been and what we've been doing. And then my next video will most likely be my Christmas home tour. I've already started decorating, guys. It's amazing. It's exactly what I've like dreamed of decorating. So it's gonna look good. I might throw in a little bit of a sneak peek at the end of this video. Okay, so once we finished the laminate flooring, I wanted to go ahead and take down all of my fall decor. So I bought a few tubs at Target, and they were actually all really good deals. They're like $4.99 or $5. And I'm just going to go ahead and put all my pumpkins, all my fall decor up, so it's just nicely packed away and put in the attic so I can start decorating for Christmas.
to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of...
My dining room sometimes becomes a catch-all for everything, especially since we were moving all the furniture when we did the flooring, so it was really dirty and really dusty just from all the construction work we were doing. So I was able to take everything off and completely wipe it down, and then I decorated it for Christmas. So that's coming up, like I said, in my next video.
I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh.
I just had to make our bed because I don't like not having the bed made. It just makes me feel like something got accomplished today, so I went ahead and did that really quickly. I still have not found any cute throw pillows for my bed, but I'm keeping an eye out, so if you guys have any ideas of what kind of pillows I should get, let me know. Okay, and last but not least in this video, I wanted to just include a few clips of this. I made this sign. I bought this little paper, the craft paper at Hobby Lobby, and it comes with so much. I can make a million signs with it. So I'm just rolling it up, and I used my Cricut to cut out the words. I just used a template I got on Etsy. And then I kind of made it my own. I took out some things and added some more. It was really, really easy. It's just, you know, it's easier if you have a Cricut because I cannot freehand it. I don't have that much talent. So I'm really glad I made this, and it probably cost me like $2 to make the whole thing. And then for the actual string, I just used some old like twine, and then I put some wood beads on it, and it just made it look so, so cute. So, and if you watched my video with stocking tags, I told you guys that the key to doing this is to use a bobby pin. A bobby pin is the best thing to use to get your beads through the little twine. So you'll see me just going back and forth doing that and making sure it's all even. And like I said, I'll probably end up showing you guys a sneak peek at the end of this video of where I hung it. And then I started cleaning off everything to prepare to decorate for Christmas, but that will be coming up in my next video, so I just wanted to leave you guys with a little bit. And here's a picture of what my sneak peek looks like. I hope you guys are excited to see my Christmas home tour. It's going to be coming soon. I think we're getting our tree today or tomorrow. So I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving and you have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.